Hey guys, welcome back to Amenny Property TV. In today's episode, we'll be going to discuss how to create lasting impact through leadership. Building a legacy isn't just about short-term success, it's about creating something that endures. This is building a legacy real estate leadership for long-term success.
First and foremost, a strong vision is essential for legacy building. Your team needs to know where you are headed and why. Having a clear long-term vision gives your team purpose and guides your decision-making along the way.
Mentoring is another crucial element of legacy leadership. By mentoring the next generations of leaders, you ensure that your value, principles, and strategy continue long after you're gone. Invest in people and you'll build a team that carries on your legacies. Finally, focus on sustainability. This means not only ensuring your business financial health, but also contributing positively to your community and the environment. A true great leadership legacy is on the benefit others and last for a long time.
In conclusion, building a legacy in real estate leadership is about having a long-term vision, investing in mentorship, and focusing on sustainable practices. By leading with this principle, you will create something that lasts beyond your tenure.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more leadership insights. And if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section. See you next time.